If you need a document translated quickly, you can do that right within Word. Okay, so this is just a quick way of translating documents automatically, and you can translate either part or the whole document. So in Microsoft Word, if you didn't want the whole document done, you just highlight what you did want translated, and then you go up to Review. Okay, and that's the Review tab at the top, and then you choose Translate. And you can see there's two options here, translate selection or the whole document. So I'm going to choose the selection. Now it will detect the language, or it will try to detect the language. And then you have what you want to translate it to. There is a huge list here. Okay, so you just choose the oh, there's even Klingon. I just noticed that. So if you wanted to translate it to Klingon, there you go. But you can just choose the language that you want to translate it to. So I'm going to go down to Spanish. Now you can see as I scroll through, some of them had more than one option. So Spanish has Spanish and Spanish Mexico. And you can see there's a few of them here. Yeah. Portuguese, Brazil, Portuguese, Portugal. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to choose, I think, Spanish Mexico. It gives me a preview, and you can pause on each word, and you can see at the bottom it actually translates and gives you some definitions, etc. Okay, so that helps. And then when you want to insert it, you can click on Insert. Okay, and you can always translate it and then translate it back to English, and you can see how it differs slightly. So that's fine for this. So I'm just going to undo this. And then if I'm in Review, I go Translate, and I can translate the document. You can see there's just the two tabs at the top. So it will go into Document, and then I choose, auto detect here, or I can actually say, no, this is English. Just like before, we just go through and select the language. Now, if you do this quite a lot, you can always translate to that language. Personally, I don't. I always leave it because I'm trying, doing different languages. And then translate. Now, what is this useful for? This is fantastic for if you have colleagues in a different country and you just occasionally want to send them a little bit of maybe an email with a little phrase in there. Maybe you just want to have an email in their language. Then this is a quick way to do that. Okay, also within Review and in Translate, you do have your Translate preferences. So you can see offer to translate content that isn't in a language that I read, yes or no. And then don't offer to translate documents or content in these languages. So you can add specific languages that you do not want it to offer to put in that drop-down list. And it could be as simple as maybe you're already fluent, and so you type in that language anyway, you don't want it to offer. or your company or firm has a translator who translates in those languages and you only want to have listed languages you don't have a translator for. So it's up to you which options you want to keep and which options you want to change. And then you just go back and it's if you're in the translator, so you have your selection, you've got document, that preferences is this little widget in the corner. And that's it. Very quick, very easy. And put in the comments how you would use this translate function. If you like this video, do click on that thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.